Hello. What are we looking at today?
So my name's Jenna, and
Joanna, nice to meet you.
Jenna, yeah.
Jenna.
So, and this is Livefire. We're a real-time conversation platform. So it replaces the comment section on anything from a small blog about cats to the largest publishers in the world, actually giving you
like Cheeseburger, big blog about cats.
From the small ones to the big ones, right? Actually giving you a real-time stream of conversation and pulling in what's happening on Facebook and Twitter, getting it all back to your content. So you're the central hub of what people are saying. So what we've seen is people really haven't changed the way that they talk, or comment sections haven't changed for over 15 years, right? It's a comment box, you leave a comment, you never come back. But the way people interact online has changed a lot.
True.
People are, being more social, they're talking on Facebook and Twitter, it's all happening in real time. And we want to let, bloggers and publishers actually have that on their site. So, here this is showing us the WordPress blog,
So if I share something and then I share it on Facebook, I share the link, and then somebody comments on it, you bring that comment back onto my blog?
So with Facebook, we're looking at the Facebook fan page. So if you post a link on there and a bunch of comments are left, then we're going to pull all those in.
Awesome.
We stay away from going into the personal pages because as we've seen, TechCrunch wrote a big article about, Jeremy, call your mother, but
Sure.
so we're trying to keep it a little more on topic. And on Twitter, what we're doing is we're actually tracking, instead of just tracking a bunch of retweets, we're tracking the entire conversation that's happening beyond that. So that's what publishers didn't even know was happening before, and now it's actually on their site, getting the SEO credit and everything.
Awesome.
I've known that.
It imports everything from the WordPress database as well, so it's easy to set up, and all comments are going back to your database, so you're never locked in.
So show us an example of what's going on here with Twitter. What is this here?
Yeah, so this is a blog post, and you can see all of these comments were happening on Twitter. So you can see this is a full back and forth conversation about this topic. Everything is, completely about this
How are you
content.
tracking that it was all about that topic?
So we know the link of where this is happening,
Yep.
and then we're tracking, replies based on that.
So
we
if the
have,
reply has the link in it, or no, if it's just a reply to that, if Twitter says it's a reply.
Yeah, exactly.
Very cool.
So we can,
Very cool.
users don't have to add any hashtags or links or anything like that. They just click a button, and then,
Twitter
we're
tells
being
you it's a
smart and
reply.
talking about
Yeah.
that.
That's super cool. And is it expensive?
Totally free. So yeah. Unless you're a big publisher, then you're gonna pay us.
Okay.
So we charge for single sign-on and more white label solutions, but for WordPress you can go install today, no problems. Good to go.
Nice. Very cool.
How easy is this to integrate into something? Sorry.
I was planning to handle it.
So on WordPress you just install the plugin and activate it, and you're done in a few minutes. Yeah. And then, on other platforms, it's just a line of JavaScript you can put into your template.
Do you need a tool? Do you need a tool?
More about WordPress. A lot of social sharing affects SEO.
Right, definitely. And
Big
so
way. In a
with
big
this
way. You know
actually-
what I mean, right?
What's that?
Now, there's no SEO without social.
And is this now on my site? Like, speaking of SEO, like those comments are not in an iframe, they are on my site,
Yeah,
crawlable.
especially
indexable.
with WordPress, we have the special server call that's set up that makes so all your comments are indexable. People have actually set up, searches just to find Livefire blogs because they know that they're SEO friendly.
I'd like you to come and help us with this integration into our site, and hopefully once we test it on our site, all our client sites.
Sounds good, yeah. You're getting the SEO credit for the Facebook comments and Twitter comments as well. So it gives
So
you
again,
that whole
Facebook
extra level.
it's
So-
comments on my fan page only.
Yeah, exactly.
It has to
you're
be
doing
on
that-
my fan page, right? Or
doing
just
that
anyone's fan
For
page?
security reasons
Your
or because of
fan page.
technical limitations?
Mostly because of security reasons.
Or privacy? Or
We've actually, had just talked to a lot of people out there, and if I posted a comment on my Facebook page,
Right.
maybe my wall is public, but I have a friend that has no idea that it's public. I actually just saw this with Facebook comments. Someone just left a comment saying,
So, just so I understand, you're going to pull all the comments from my Facebook page into my website.
yeah,
If
so
you
on your
if
fan
you
page-
I can do
post
that anyway.
But if you post a comment about this page, about this URL,
Yeah.
then replies to that comment come in here. It's not like a it's otherwise everything would be the same on every page.
Where is the content being pulled from?
So like on your Facebook.
Just my page or in general from Facebook?
So
Your page.
Yeah, it's from
Just my
from your fan
page?
page. Like, think about it in the context of, so the Next Web is our blog group, right? And what they do is they post a link on their fan
10
page.
seconds!
We just, hey, come check out